Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable smart mute in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And go to here smart motion and click on smart calling here, and here you will find smart mute. Just to turn on this button so that when your phone rings, that is you can cover your phone screen with your hand to mute the call. Suppose if you are receiving any incoming call, just you can cover your phone with your hand, that is just to cover your phone like this, okay, and incoming call sound will be muted. See here, I will show a demo now. So now I will receive a call. I am making a call from another phone, and listen, call sound is appearing, that is my phone rings, okay. So to mute, what I have to do, just to cover like this. See, once again I am doing, call is coming and just I cover like this, and see, call is muted, okay. So in this way you can easily mute incoming calls by covering your phone screen. This is called smart mute, okay. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.